Check out this 2009 GMC Canyon. This vehicle has only been owned and titled to one person. Luxurious interior that's comfortable and convenient with nice access and ease of entry and departure. Can you say loaded? This pristine vehicle has every single option I can think of, and it is in awesome condition. No car on the road demands as much respect as this GMC Canyon. Look out! Here's a little monster. This baby is immaculate and a blast to drive. Certified hot. You'll love the power and performance. No disappointments here. Please call us for more information. The special internet price is $24,500. Contact the dealership today.